guys, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. If your Windows 11 update keep failing or you're seeing we could not connect to the update fail error, as you can see guys in my screen. So today in this video I will show you step by step to fix the Windows update fail problem in your PC permanently. So first, make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is active and stable. Open any website on your browser and check your internet connection how is working. If it loads fine, your internet is okay. If not, restart your router or reconnect your Wi-Fi network. 90% of the reason is this guys, due to internet connection. You can definitely face this type of problem. Now you need to check your PC date and time setting as well. Okay, if the date and time setting is incorrect, at the time you can also face this type of problem. To check your date and time settings, open the Windows settings, go to time and language. If the date and time was incorrect, you need to correct this. Now what you need to do, you need to run the Windows update troubleshooter as well. To do this guys, in the Windows settings, go to system, scroll down and find out Troubleshoot. Open it and go to other troubleshooter, and here you can get the option Windows update. So just you need to run this troubleshooter, okay, and follow the on-screen instruction procedure to fix this error. After doing this guys, hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Press Windows key button and here you need to search cmd, means command prompt, and open it. Run as administrator mode like this. Okay, and here you need to type some command. So you can get this command, you can see in my screen. So you just need to type this all command one by one. After typing each command, you need to hit enter. Okay, after running all command, restart your PC and try to update your PC once again. Okay, open the Windows settings, go to Windows update and just click on retry all. Okay, now it will start updating your PC successfully. Now it will loading, so wait for few seconds. So as you can see guys, now our all pending update was started downloading, as you can see guys in my screen. So this is the easy and simple way to fix this problem. Okay, and that's it, your Windows update fail issue is now fixed. If this tutorial helped you, please give a like, share and subscribe to SmartTech Junction for more quick and easy Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.